Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Anita White with Love Your Art. We are happy to have you joining us again today. If you're brand new to our channel, we welcome you. So happy you could join us. Please subscribe, like, and share, and let us know what you think about the videos that we have on our channel. Give us some feedback so we can know how we can best serve you. As you know, those of you who've been with me, we like to jump right in. So let's get started. What do we have here? I'm telling you, we have a 12 by 24 inch canvas that's already been covered with our Artist Loft Acrylic White, which has been mixed with Floetrol and water. And it is a 2-to-1 ratio, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part water. I mix all the paints that way. Then I go ahead and I add water based on the paint itself, because not all paints are created equal. Not all brands are created equal, and we want to work to get just enough water to give us an even consistency between our paint. So that's what we have here. I'm going to torch our air bubbles so we can get started with our layering colors. And as you know, when you torch, you want to make certain that you have a flawless design. So you're looking for any possible debris, not just popping bubbles, but any debris that could have found its way into your paint that may have some type of interference that creates a problem with your overall design. So we look really closely while we're torching, and we also want to make sure that we have paint that is evenly distributed throughout the canvas from side to side, corner to corner, edge to edge. So here we have a color palette that I'm going to be trying today. I love experimenting. Some colors that are familiar and some that are unfamiliar in terms of putting them together. So what do we have? Let's introduce them. We have our Cadmium, Liquitex Cadmium Yellow Medium Hue. We also have the Artist Loft Sap Green. One of my absolute favorites is the Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet. Then we also have our Liquitex Basics Hooker Green. We have Golden's Payne's Gray. We have the Artist Loft Metallic Lemon Yellow. And we have Artist Loft Old Gold and Artist Loft Copper. So in order to get this design going and making sure we have as much as we need down on the canvas, we are going to choose to start with our Payne's Gray. So here we go. Let's get that on the canvas. We're going to take a design up, sort of there and out and over there. Over here. Okay. Pulling that down a little bit there. And we'll follow with the Payne's Gray. We'll do this. I think I want to try the sap green on top of that. I haven't tried these colors in combination before, so I'm excited to see what happens as we pull it together. So the Payne's Gray, the sap green. Then I'm going to throw in, I believe, this Cadmium Deep Yellow Hue. Or better yet, let's do the metallic, because we want to make sure we get some shine in here. That's a nice, beautiful lemon yellow. Okay. Also, we'll put in that Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet on top of this beautiful metallic lemon yellow. And we've got our Hooker Green, another one of my absolute favorite colors. Again, this is a new palette color combination for me. Never put these colors before together. I like experimenting, and that's what we're doing here. So we have all of these done, and we are going to put in our Artist Loft Old Gold. And we're going with our Cadmium medium hue. A lot of pretty color. Woohoo! Just amazing. And our hooker green. We'll come back to hooker green here. So here we have lots of amazing colors, and we have copper on top. Okay. All right, plenty of rich color. Torch, 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 torch. And here we have an opportunity to blow here and into there. I'm going to see where we can go with it. So let's get going. Here we start right in the middle. Isn't that beautiful? Amazing. Yes. Love it. We have some air bubbles here, and some of them are popping as we speak. We have some copper in here, a little bit there, a little bit here, a little here, not much over here that we can actually see, but love it. Let's go ahead and do a little torching just to pop air bubbles that we can see. And we're going to tap, tap, tap this where we've got a little string of paint coming out, which is okay to leave, but kind of like to have a clean finish if I can. I love this green, and oh my heavens, it is so pretty. And blending in with the yellows and the unbelievable copper and gold. Wow. Still got air bubbles. I see them popping over here, coming up. Just astounding. Okay, here we have a popsicle stick tongue depressor. I believe that's what this one is. We're just wiping as quick as we can to help the paint start to rest. When it comes to rest, it allows the design to rest. It helps it to stop moving. We want it to stay as much as we can in its original format. We'll move some, we know that, but we want to make effort to get it to stay as still as possible. I am loving these colors. Woohoo! It is beautiful. They are absolutely gorgeous. And I believe the Payne's gray, which looks sort of like a navy blue, this golden Payne's gray, it is just emerging from the bottom. Cells and lacing all erupting beautifully. I love this design. I'm going to give it a full torch across. And just bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here we are with our close-up. Look at what I've been looking at. This is simply amazing. Look at the shine and shimmer from that copper and those iridescent colors. Well, actually, they're metallic colors that are that. I think it's the lemon and the metallic. I'll get it right in a minute. Anyway, that shimmer is on top and just making this shine like crazy. Look at that beautiful hooker green and the sap green together have made for an explosion of beautiful green. Look at that Payne's gray. It looks like it's blue, like a navy, but it is so pretty. It really comes up from underneath and just really pulls everything on top. just luscious, lovely colors. Look at the cells in this area here, and the color, ooh, it's so rich, so pretty. Okay, we're going over, and here's some of the center, more of that Payne's gray, pulling up from the bottom. Remember, it was the very first color we put down, so it had to really release from the bottom all the way to merge to the top. And over here, my. Wow, look at that. Cells galore, shine and shimmer in here like crazy. Payne's gray, creating that cell reaction there, along with, holy moly, look at that corner over there. So pretty. The greens, the yellows, the Payne's gray, all coming together so beautifully. Color combination again, a new one. Have not used these greens with yellows like this, and we are so very proud of what it looks like. There's our 11 by, actually it's a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and it looks phenomenal. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think. This is a Dutch pour, and it is definitely speaking for itself. Again, if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and let us know, leave us some feedback so we can know how we can best serve you. And until next time, keep loving your art. Have a great day, stay safe, and we'll see you on our next video upload. Bye now.